Hello everyone, come to Bamboo Shoot again. Today I will cook the soft-boiled egg. I got into my Google search about 6 to 10 minutes for cooking. Let's cooking. First, heat the water. And wait. Look, water is boiling. I will put 5 eggs into the water. And I will wait and start timer. And I will wait for 6 minutes later. In 6 minutes later, I will take egg out. Number 2 egg. Six minutes, I got liquid yolk and soft white. 7 and 8 minutes, I got soft yolk and hard white. 9 and 10 minutes, I got hard yolk and hard white. Oh, I have an egg for this dinner. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.